ALH, Success Lines, Wellness and Lifestyle channel. In today's cooking edition, I am going to prepare barbecue cauliflower made as a substitute for barbecue chicken wings. Wow, that was a mouthful. But anyway, these are also yummy. So if you're a vegetarian, these will be great. If you're a pescatarian like myself, and a pescatarian is someone who does not eat meat, however, they will eat seafood, then this is amazing as well. And if you eat meat and just want an alternative, this is going to be oh so yummy for you as well. Now, this is a very simple recipe, so sit back, relax, and if you're not a subscriber, please hit subscribe so that you can be a part of this positive family where I share information on wellness, positive living, healthy recipes, my passion for fashion and beauty, especially for women over a certain age, and my passion for home decor and organization. So I thank you for watching, and let's get started. Okay, so I purchased my organic cauliflower from my local Whole Foods market. And the first step is to remove the leaves as well as the stalk, and to cut the cauliflower into bite-sized pieces. Now the next step is to wash the cauliflower in a colander. And the next step is to add the seasoning of your choice. I added Simply Organic rosemary, onion flakes, and Cajun seasoning. And next you'll add 1 to 2 cups of cornmeal. I used gluten-free cornmeal. And about 1/2 cup of water. Now you'll have to adjust the measurements based on your serving size. Now you would make a batter and add the cauliflower florets, and you would stir, making sure to cover the florets with the batter. Now you would add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a pan and let it heat just a little. And then you drop the florets into the pan. And for me, I like to have it spread just a little because I actually like the taste of the cornmeal batter. It tastes like cornbread. Then after it is brown on one side, you of course would turn it on the other side. And as you can see, I am using very little oil. And after you have cooked both sides, you would transfer your cauliflower bites onto a baking pan and then add the barbecue sauce of your choice. I used organic Kansas City Love from Whole Foods, and then you bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. And dig in. Here is your barbecue cauliflower substitute for chicken wings, and it is oh so yummy. Thanks for watching.